Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create smooth shake effects like Nanimalo in After Effects. So want this? First, arrange your clips on the timeline and make sure everything is ready. Now create two adjustment layers above your clip. On the first adjustment layer, add the S-shake effect and create a keyframe for the amount value. Set the amount to 3. Then move to the end of the clip and set the amount to 0. This will make the shake slowly fade out. Now select both keyframes, adjust the graph to create a smoother motion like this. Next, select the second adjustment layer and move this layer about 5 frames forward. And add the twitch effect. Now add keyframes like this and set the speed value to 35. After that, enable light and slide. Copy the same settings shown on screen. Then open the graph editor again and smooth the animation curves like this. And that's basically it. Your shake effect is done. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And if you want tutorials for any specific effects, comment below and I'll try to make them. See you in the next video.